So let's continue chapter number 5, that is multiplication. So children, in today's exercise, we will see the multiplication by a one-digit number. So let's start the exercise. So children, today we'll see exercise 5.4. So let's see question number 1. So children, question number 1 is find the product. Find the product means you have to multiply, isn't it? So question number A is 1263 multiplied by 5. So children, can you tell me here what is multiplicand and what is multiply here? Yes, 1263 is multiplicand, whereas 5 is multiplier here. So children, whenever we multiply, we always start from the ones place. Okay, so what is the digit here at the ones place? Yes, it's 3 here. So we will multiply this 3 to 5 first. So 3 5s are, we will multiply here. So we will multiply this 3 to 5. So 3 5s are or 5 3s are 15. Now children, because 15 is a 2-digit number, so what we will do, we will write this 5 which is at the ones place, that we will write here, and this 1 which is at the tens place, it will be carried over to the tens place here. Okay children, now we will multiply the digit which is at the tens place to 5 by 5. So what is the digit at the tens place now in the multiplicand? Yes, it is 6. So we will multiply this 6 by 5. So 6 5s are or 5 6s are 30 plus this carried over digit. So 6 5s are 30 plus 1. What we will get children? 31. So 1 we will write here and 3 will be carried over to the hundreds place here. Okay. Now we will multiply the digit which is at the hundreds place by 5. So what is the digit at the hundreds place children? Yes, it's 2 here. So that we will multiply to 5. So 2 5s are or 5 2s are 10 plus this carried over digit which is 3 here. So 2 5s are 10 plus 3, 13. So 3 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the thousands place now. Now we will multiply, in the fourth step we will multiply the digit which is at the thousands place. And what is the digit at the thousands place? 1. That we will multiply to number 5 here, which is multiplier here. So 1 5s are 5 or 5 1s are 5 plus this carried over digit. So 1 5s are 5 plus 1. What will get children? 6. Okay. So what is the product obtained here? It's 6315. That is our answer. Okay children. So always you remember that whenever we multiply, we always start from the ones place and then we move towards left. Okay children. Now let's move to the next question. So now question number B is 2014 multiplied by 6. So again we will start with the digit at the ones place. So what is the digit here at the ones place? 4. So that will multiplied by 6 here. So 4 6s are or 6 4s are 24. So children, we will write 4 here and 2 will be carried over to the tens place. Now we will multiply the digit at the tens place. And what is the digit at the tens place? 1. That will multiply to 4 now. Sorry, 6 now. So 1 6s are 6 plus this carried over digit. So 1 6s or 6 1s are 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 2, what we will write, children? 6 plus 2, 8. Now we will multiply the digit which is at the hundreds place by 6. So what is the digit at the hundreds place now? 0. So 0, 6. So children, you remember, whenever we multiply a digit by 0, we get 0 only, isn't it? So 0, 6, what we will write, children? 6 or 0? 0. Okay, so 0 we will write here as it is. Now we will multiply the digit at the thousands place. What is the digit at the thousands place? 2. That we will multiply by 6 now. So 2 6 or 6 2s. What you will get? 12. So what is our answer here, children? It's 12 we will write before this 084. So what is the answer obtained here, children? Read this number. Yes, it's 12,084. That is our answer. Got it, children? Now let's move to question number C. So again we will start with the digit at the ones place. And what is the digit here at the ones place? 6. So 6 4s are 24. So 4 we will write here, children, and 2 will be carried over to the tens place. Now we will multiply the digit at the tens place by 4. So 1 4s or 4 1s 4 plus this carried over digit. So 4 plus 2, 6. We will write 6 here. Now we will multiply the digit at the hundreds place by 4. So there you can see 4 4s are 16. And there is no carried over. So we will just write here 6. And 1 will be carried over to the thousands place. Now we will multiply the digit at the thousands place by 4. So 3 4s or 4 3s 12 plus this carried over digit. So 4 3s 12 plus 1, we will get 13 here. So what is the product obtained here, children? It's 13,664. Got it? Okay. Now, children, now let's see question number 2. Multiply using the expanded form and verify the result by actual multiplication. So children, multiply using expanded form. So whenever this type of question is given, first we write the expanded form of that given number. Expanded form of the multiplicand. Okay. So what is the multiplicand here? It's 3120. So first we will write the expanded form of 3120. So what will be the expanded form of 3120? That I have already written here. It will be 3000 plus 100 plus 20. Isn't it? So this is the expanded form of 3120. Now we have to multiply here each term of the expanded form by the number 4 here that you can see here. So first we will multiply this 3000 here by number 4. Okay, that you can see here 3000 multiplied by 4. Okay, then we will multiply this number 100 here, the second term of the expanded form here, 100 multiplied by 4. That you can see here, I have written 100 multiplied by 4. And then we will multiply this 20 by 4 here. So 20 multiplied by 4, that you can see here, 20 multiplied by 4. So when we will and then we will add them. So 3000 multiplied by 4, what it give, children? It will give 12,000. You can see 3 4s are 12, and then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. It means 12,000. Then you just see 100 multiplied by 4, 400. And then 20 fours are 80. Now we will add all of them, like 12,000 plus 400 plus 80. Now we'll add them. So when we'll add them, what answer we will get? We will get 12,480. 12,480. So this is the answer obtained here. Okay, children. So remember, whenever we have to multiply using expanded form, first what do? We write the expanded form of the multiplicand, and then we multiply each term of the expanded form by the multiplier which is been given. After multiplying each term by the multiplier, we add all of them to get the answer. Now children, in the question you can see you have to verify the answer by actual multiplication. Now what is actual multiplication? Let's see. We have to verify this answer. So what answer we have got here? In expanded form, multiply using expanded form, it's 12,480. So let's see, when we verify it by actual multiplication, then we again get this answer 12,480 or not. So let's start multiplying 3,120 multiplied by 4. So 0 fours are 0. Now we'll multiply this 2 by 4. So 2 fours are or 4 twos are 8. Now 1 fours are or 4 ones are 4. And then 3 fours are or 4 threes are 12. So children, you can see here, when we verified it by actual multiplication, then too we got the same answer that we got by multiplying using expanded form. What does it shows? It shows that our answer is correct. Our multiplication using expanded form is correct. Got it, children? Now you can see after actual multiplication also we got the same answer 12,480, and when we multiply it using expanded form, then too we got the same answer 12,480. Got it, children? Now let's move to the next question. So question number B here is 6,153 multiplied by 8. So how we did in the previous question? We will write the expanded form of 6,153. So what will be the expanded form? So it will be 6,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 3. This will be the expanded form of 6,153. And now we'll multiply each term by the multiplier which is number 8 here. Okay. So first we'll start with 6,000. So 6,000 here will be multiplied by 8. That you can see here. We have written 6,000 multiplied by 8. Then we'll multiply this 100 by 8. That again you can see 100 multiplied by 8. Now we'll multiply this 50 by 8. So 50 multiplied by 8 here. Plus 3 multiplied. Now the last term is 3. That will multiply by 8. So that also you can see plus 3 multiplied by 8. So 6,000 multiplied by 8 will give 48,000. This 100 multiplied by 8, it will be 800. 50 8s are 400 and 3 8s are 24. Now we will add all of them, and we will add, when we will add them, what answer we will get? 49,224. Okay, children? 49,224. So now let's see, because in this question again we have to verify the result by actual multiplication. So we have to multiply and see whether we get this answer by actual multiplication or not. 49,224. Now let's start with the digit at the ones place. And what is the digit here at the ones place? 3 8s are. So 3 8s are 24. So 4 we will write here and 2 will be carried over to the tens place. Now we'll multiply the digit at the tens place by 8 here. 5 8s are or 8 5s are 40 plus this carried over digit. So 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. So 2 we will write here and 4 will be carried over to the tens place. Now we'll multiply the digit at the hundreds place by 8. So 1 8s are 8 plus this carried over digit, 8 plus 4, 12. So 2 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the next digit, means at the thousands place. Now we'll multiply the digit at the thousands place by 8. So 6 8s are 48 plus this carried over digit, 48 plus 1, 49. So children, here also after verifying it by actual multiplication, we got the same answer that we got after multiply using expanded form. If you remember, it was 49,224. So what does it shows? It shows that our multiplication using expanded form was correct. Okay children. Now let's move to the next question, question number C. So here the question is 7,924 multiplied by 5. So again we will write the expanded form of the number 7,924. So what will be the expanded form? It will be 7,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 4. And then we have to multiply each term of the expanded form by the number 5 that you can see here, number 5, which is multiplier here. So first we will multiply 7,000, this 7,000 by number 5 here. So there you can see 7,000 multiplied by 5. Then we will multiply 900 multiplied by 5. So plus 900 multiplied by 5 that you can see here. Then this 20 multiplied by 5, that again you can see 20 multiplied by 5 here, and then 4 multiplied by 5 that you can see here, 4 multiplied by 5. Now we'll write the product of each term when we multiplied it by the multiplier. So 7,000 multiplied by 5 gives 35,000. 900 multiplied by 5 gives 4,500. Then 25s are 100 here and 4 5s are 20. Now we'll add all of these to get the answer. So what answer we will get here? 39,620. 39,620. Now let's verify it by actual multiplication. So let's see 39,620. So there we were getting 39,620. Now let's see by actual multiplication whether we get that answer or not. So we'll start with the digit at the ones place. So 4 5s are 20. So 0 we will write here and 2 will be carried over to the tens place. Now 2 5s are or 5 2s are 10 plus this carried over digit. So 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So 2 we will write here and 1 will be carried over to the hundreds place. Now 9 5s are 45 or 5 9s are 45 plus 1, 45 plus 1, 46. So 6 we will write here and 4 will be carried over to the thousands place. Now children, 7 5s are 35 and 35 plus this carried over digit 35 plus 4 39. So there also you can see when we verified it by actual multiplication, we got the same answer that we got after multiplying it using expanded form. Okay children, so in this way you will practice for the given question that I have written here. You will practice for all these questions. Okay, in the first question you have to find the product, and in the second question you have to multiply using the expanded form, and then you have to verify the result by actual multiplication. Okay children, so practice for all these questions. So that's all for today children. Thank you.